Tap into your inner craftsperson and transform your garden with a dash of whimsy. Today, we're taking a journey to create a charming garden gnome. With only 4 items and 3 simple steps, you too can bring a little enchantment to your outdoor space. Firstly, gather your materials. Seek out a clay pot, some paint, a dollop of glue, and don't forget a fluffy pom-pom for the gnome's signature hat. Now, it's time to get creative. Paint your pot top to bottom in vibrant, joyful colors. Remember, your gnome is a reflection of you, so let your imagination run wild. Once dry, attach the pom-pom to the top of the pot. Voila! You've just crafted your first garden gnome. But we're not quite finished. If your gnome is destined to live outdoors, consider adding an extra step. A quick spray of acrylic sealer will ensure your gnome stands up to the elements. So go ahead, embrace your crafty side and add a touch of magic to your garden. Who knew being crafty could be this simple and fun? Until next time, happy crafting!